Dizo Ultrasonic has been a professional plastic welding equipment manufacturer since 2007 year, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. With 18 years of expertise, we provide specialized plastic welding equipment and customer plastic solutions for global clients like Volkswagen, BYD, and Tesla and Medium, holding 95 patents. Over 10,000 square meters factory in Wuxi City near Shanghai. Employees 120 staff including 30 engineers, with a professional welding laboratory, 5 production lines and 30-plus machines, producing 3,000 units annually. Core products are 5 series: ultrasonic plastic welding, hard plate welding, high-frequency welding, vibration welding, specific machine for automotive interior decoration, applied to automotive, electronics, medical, and packaging sectors. Since 2020, we were exported to 20-plus countries, including the United States, Germany, UK, Australia, with agent network in Russia, Indonesia, and more, plus showrooms and local teams in Russia and Vietnam. Our end-to-end system ensures quality and service, winning global acclaim. Thank you for watching.